Well, hello everyone. We've got a variety of weather out there, of course, today. Everything from lightning, thunder, rain, hail, snow, and yeah, a very odd sky that everybody was noticing. And it has to do with the angle of the sun, even though we're not seeing it, and of course the precipitation. So I want to talk about the skies first because a lot of people were seeing that. This is one of many images people sent. Doesn't photograph as well as what you actually saw, but this is from Charmaine in Mankato. Saw this before the rest of us would have. And then this is from Alex saying, creepy sky. And basically what happens is when we get lower sun angles within a couple of hours of sunrise, which is only 7:40 now, or sunset, which would be closer to about 5, 6 o'clock would be the same time frame, PM before sunset, you get a yellowish orange hue when the sun is going through these precip loaded clouds, so full of rain droplets, snow, ice, and then you have that just perfect sun angle. Now if it were more the middle of the day when we have those big deep thunderstorms, then you get sort of that greenish sky that we sometimes see with stronger storms. So it has to do with how the angle of the sun is hitting these precip loaded clouds, and there's plenty of precipitation out there. Of course, we're seeing rain all up and down southern Minnesota, and it is mixing with snow. The airport officially reporting some rain, but I know here in downtown Minneapolis it's been mainly wet snow so far. And you go north of the Twin Cities, it is all in the form of snow. So we're not going to see a ton of precip here in the Twin Cities. Most of what we're going to see is the middle part of the day that we're seeing now. But north of us, they are going to see that snow really pile up. So we do have winter weather advisories in purple. That's for southwestern Minnesota, places like St. Cloud, and then up further along the North Shore. And then in that pink area is the winter storm warning, which includes places like Brainerd and Duluth, where over a half foot of snow could fall. Sound familiar? Yeah, it was our turn, of course, on Tuesday. It's their turn a little further north. And then we got another system on Sunday that could be going, well, kind of anywhere. We'll see. Temperatures this morning are just above freezing. Below freezing, though, in central Minnesota, and the big key is those temperatures aloft, and it is very cold aloft as we head into central Minnesota. So what you're seeing here is everything in green and white. Those are below normal temperatures at the specific height, which is about 9,000 feet above the ground. But you look around the Twin Cities, now these temperatures in Celsius, but 1, 2 Celsius at 9,000 feet, that's, of course, above freezing temperature. So that's why we're seeing kind of that mixed bag line right over the metro through the day today. We're going to be riding that line of sub-freezing, above freezing temperatures in that 4,000 to 9,000 feet area layer above the ground. So we're going to get kind of a mixed bag of precip through the day. But you can see in blue, it's all snow through the day across central Minnesota, heavy snow, in fact, at times. And then further south here in the Twin Cities, we have that sort of mixed bag. That pink is kind of anything, mixed precip, ice pellets, snowflakes, sleet, rain. And then through the day, that all kind of tapers off. We might see some snow showers overnight tonight. This is 11 o'clock, but that accumulating snow starts to wrap up around Duluth in the North Shore. But they've already seen several inches of snow in some spots. Wadena, 4 inches already, 2.5 inches around Battle Lake. So when I show you these snow totals, this is in addition to what some of those areas in central and west central Minnesota have seen already. So we'll add up the snow again here further south in the Twin Cities. We could see some slushy accumulation. We've already been seeing some snow showers, but nothing really sticking for long because of the back and forth in the precip and our warm, wet ground. But to the north, it is going to add up here again, 5, 6 inches plus as we head into northern Minnesota. The purple area, that's over a half foot of snow. So from Brainerd up to Duluth, we're talking 5, 6, 7 inches of snow. And then again, further west, where they've already had 4 inches of snow in some spots, add another 4. Yeah, you're going to get closer to 8 inches for places like Wadena. So plenty of snow there. And then our eyes turn towards a Sunday system. The Canadian model, kind of the compromise here. Heaviest snow to the south, couple of inches of snow for us here in the Twin Cities. European model, though, a little further north, and so a little more aggressive with the snow totals. Again, the heaviest is to the south, though, along the Minnesota-Iowa border, but we could be talking 3, 4 inches of snow here. American model is the furthest south, putting that heavy snow into northeastern Nebraska, northwestern Iowa, and then further north, maybe just a couple of inches of snow here. So we might be dealing with 1 or 2 inches of snow Sunday, or several inches of snow. So we'll be keeping our eye on that Sunday system. And then a lot of people are wondering if we're completely done with fall, maybe got leaves to rake still. Not that you really want to do that, or just want some warmer temperatures again, because we're talking about way below normal temperatures this weekend and next week. And there are indications of a pattern change just in time for Halloween and Election Day. In the meantime, This purple blob, that's well below normal temperatures. We're talking 15 to 20 degrees below normal right over us through next week. Pay attention to the reddish orange brown. Those are warmer than normal temperatures, and that finally breaks free by Halloween. So next weekend already, if you can believe it, into election day or first days of November, we could be dealing with temperatures that are going to be almost 20 degrees above normal. So there we go. Fingers crossed that we get some warmer temperatures. Either way, the snow that we've got, whether you're in central Minnesota or southern Minnesota, is not sticking around. But will for the meantime in some places, because look at these temperatures, barely above freezing. And we're talking about some crazy cold too. 16 Saturday morning, maybe 10 Tuesday morning in the Twin Cities. By far our coldest temperatures so far this season. So bundle up for a while, but maybe some hope of warmth in the way off future.